1979 Chevrolet K1500 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking 4x4. Very popular body style too, no doubt about that. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy, 350 V8 power. Paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front of this vehicle. Check out the chrome in the front bumper, headlights, surrounds. Of course, that iconic Chevy bow tie grille. Still pictures of this vehicle can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see paint has a nice luster on this one, good shine to it. Shows well. It's riding on Pro Comp alloy wheels, Cooper Discoverer radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See, these panels appear to be nice and straight. Not noticing any major rust or corrosion around the wheel wells. Lower rockers look good. Spray and bed liner. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. We're also going to start it up. Let's take a peek underneath the hood. See how that engine bay looks, listen to it a little bit. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome in the rear bumper looking good. True dual exhaust. Front to rear. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we take a look down this driver's side. Notice there's one, I don't even know if I can get it to show up. There's just kind of an imperfection in the paint right in there. But like I said, it's tough to get it to show up. Being pretty fussy. But thought I'd try to point it out for you. Something else, technician noted that did have just some very minor seeps underneath, but take a look at the underside pictures. It's nice and clean underneath there. Nothing you wouldn't expect from a vehicle that's driven a little bit. And this one, get in, turn the key, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just take it out and enjoy it. You can see driver's side. Nice shine to that paint. A little touch-up spot right here. Let's look at this interior a little bit closer. Door panels. Does have a seat cover over the bench seat. Tilt the column. Notice there's an aftermarket stereo in here. Let's check that out a little closer. Start it up. Let's hear it run. There's a power acoustic aftermarket stereo. Looks like fuel gauge came up. Oil pressure, voltmeter, temp gauge. That was a cold start. Wouldn't expect that to be up. Top of the dash. Some fine cracks, I guess, pretty common in this body style. No doubt about that. Not bad shape though. Looks good on the interior. Door closes nicely, and let's listen. Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust. Just a nice little rumble coming out of that. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inches. You can see headers. power steering, power brakes. Does have a Holley 4-barrel on there, HEI ignition, and you'll be able to see that engine bay in the still pictures also from every angle. And those still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1979 Chevrolet K1500 that again is just about the perfect height, the perfect stance, perfect size tire, just looks good. Our turn signal indicators are working. And hopefully you can hear how great that exhaust sounds. This is an automatic on the column, nice firm shifts, and our fuel gauge is reading a quarter of a tank. Temperature an eighth of the way up, still warming up. Volts are showing 14, and the oil pressure is at 45 to 50, which is looking great. This is clock equipped. There's a clock down on the far left. Speedometer is working. Looks like it's approximately correct in its miles per hour. We have a radio on the dash. It's a touchscreen radio. I think it may need an antenna hooked up because I get static when I try to test it. The blower motor works and the wipers work. Comfortable bench seat in this classic Chevy truck. Brakes feel good. Not too harsh of a ride, just right. Suspension is soft enough to absorb those road imperfections, and yet you can tell it's a 4x4. Feels like a truck. Kickdown working on that transmission. Such a great sound. Take a look at all the pictures of this 79 Chevy truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.